If mahilig mo mag-makeup and then mahilig mo mag-travel, girl, this is for you. So I found this in TikTok. This is a tiny makeup brushes which is really useful. So, nagamit ko na to ng maraming beses na since palagi kaming umuwi from Cebu to here in Negros Oriental and then from here to Cebu. So, we're going back and forth. And you know na I really love makeup. So, kailangan ko talaga magdala ng mga makeup brushes ko. And this one, this is my go-to because aside from being very tiny and handy, this is really space saving, especially if malit lang yung bag na dinadala mo when traveling. So, yeah, kompleto na siya guys. And I know magiging useful din to sa inyo. This is the powder brush, and then another one is for the contour, and then this one is for the blush, and then meron din siyang mga brushes for eyeshadow. So meron din pang brush ng kilay. I also have here this one. So talagang kumpleto na siya guys. Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo, this is really, really game changer if you love traveling and also love bringing your makeup. So yeah, I think lahat naman siguro ng mga ngayon mahilig ng mag-makeup, diba? So if you're like me, bili ka na dito. Mura lang to and nasa yellow basket lang. So yeah, bili ka na girl!